Hi there, Kira here, and I have some really exciting news. So me and Mary were both chosen by Coco Daisy to be guest designers this month, and we're super excited that we both get a guest design. And so we each got the scrapbooking kit and the day in the life kit, so I'll be unboxing those today. And then we'll be creating 4 projects for the month of October. So I'll have process videos and everything. I'm sure Mary will have some process videos too. And then you guys can check out the blog and see all of our projects there as well. So let me just dig in and see what we've got. So I think this is the day in the life kit. So a little hello and thank you, that's cute. I'll probably save that, use that on a scrapbook page. Like comes in this little canvas bag. That's adorable. Okay, so let's open this up. Pull everything out. Oh my gosh, look at that stamp set. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So I've never gotten a Coco Daisy kit before. This is my first time actually getting a Coco Daisy kit. And this is adorable. I'm so excited. Look how cute this stamp is. It's got like this little label and it's like sketchy. And then it's got the numbers, I love that. Plan A, Plan B, who, what, where, when, later, and now. And then it's got like number here. Oh my God, that's so cute. I love this. And then we get an ink pad too, which is a gorgeous color for fall. I love that, and it's a chalk ink. It's warm green is the color. Got some puffy stickers, super cute. They've just got kind of like a fall feel to them, like some orange and greens. Super cute. I think those are the cards. We'll do those last. Oh, look at this cute wood veneer. Home is where your plants are. Oh, that's so cute. These look like some 6x6 papers. Cute. Oh, I think they're just the same like that. Cute. Some numbers. And these are chipboard stickers. And then some alphas. I love this color, that's so pretty. And let's get into the cards. Wow. Look how many cards there are. Holy crap. All right, so we've got October 2017, some like watercolor succulents. That's really pretty. Wow. Pretty. These are gorgeous, right? Oh, I love the pumpkins. This is a lot of cards. Can't touch this. Little cactus. That's cute. Today. They're all double-sided. These are like a really nice quality too. They're nice and thick and kind of smooth. Not like too smooth where you couldn't write on them, but how pretty are those pumpkins, watercolor pumpkins though. Oh, those are too cute. Fall is my favorite color, that's cute. Same on that side. This is Halloween, that's cute. Cute. Okay, so that's the day in the life kit, which is adorable. Let's get into the scrapbook kit. Oh my gosh, look at this alpha. my God, this is the greatest alpha ever. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. Let's see what's in here. It looks like we got some ribbon. Oh, this is my cozy place. That's really cute. And then this really pretty ribbon. Got some chipboard stickers. Those are really pretty. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Me, my book, and I. Those are cute. Some chipboard sticker alphas. I love this wood grain with kind of the paint splatter on it. These are really pretty too. It's kind of watercolor. Those are pretty. Okay. Wow, more alphas. So these ones are Evalicious alphas in this kind of teal color. And then these ones are Ashley Horton. Wish you were here. And I really like that color. I like the font on that too. Those are both really cute. Some die cuts. Let's take a look at these. Let's move the papers aside so you can see these. Cute. And then papers. So this paper is from Pink Paisley, Turn the Page, and this is number 14. That side, that side. This one is from the Creekside Collection, One Canoe 2, and this one's Chicory. This one is also from the Creekside Collection, and it's Cozy Plaid. This is Mommy-ish for Cocoa Daisy. Succulents on that side. Oh, I really like that. It's like, I don't know if you can see that. It's a really small grid on the white, so it's like a blue grid on the white part of that. That's really cute. This one is also Cocoa Daisy. Read all about it. Oh, I like that side. Cocoa Daisy, Watercolor Your World. Pretty. Simply Succulent is this one. I love the wood grain. This one is also Turn the Page, and it is number 16. And then, oh, like a craft cardstock, and a couple more cardstocks here. Pretty. So I'm super excited to create with this kit. I hope you guys will join me in my process videos, and I will see you soon with some projects. You guys have a good day. Bye.